Hi guys, welcome as we solve this equation. Guys, I read the question first. Find the values of k given that k raised to 4 minus 4k cubed plus 8k squared is equals to 8k minus 4. And so therefore guys, we start off doing the question. And so guys, I've written the question right here. So the first thing guys we are going to do, we are going to rearrange this equation. We are going to equate it to 0, and so therefore we bring 8k this side and negative 4 this side. By so doing guys, this is what we have. K raised to 4 minus 4k cubed plus 8k squared minus 8k plus 4. So I've brought this 8k on the left side, and so the sign changes. The same case with 4 negative 4 changes to positive 4. This gives us 0. And guys, from there now, we come and try and error method, where guys, we are going to try to put rational numbers. So guys, when we try 1, we check whether we get 0. And I have already done that with several numbers. And guys, I have not been successful. And so therefore guys, I have decided to use this method, whereby guys, as you can see, this has a power of 4 and this is power of 3, power of 2, like that. Because of that guys, I have thought that this could be a square of a number that is having a factor k squared plus ak plus b. So therefore that's what guys I have done. I have squared this one, and after squaring guys, this is what I get. So guys, this is what we get, and I have not explained here that I have put a constant a here and a constant a together with the coefficient of k and a constant b here. And so guys, when we square that, we are going to get an equation in form of this. Only that guys, our constant will not be established at this moment. And so guys, we get this as our results. Guys, now we are going to combine to use this equation and this equation, so that guys, we have, if it is coefficient of 3, which is negative 4, we are going to equate all the coefficient of k raised to 3. Guys, we are going to equate all the coefficient of k raised to 3, such as a, that is also another a here, and now we equate that to negative 4. So we have negative 4 is equals to a. This is the whole equation guys. This equation reached up to that point, and as you can see, k cubed is only here and here. So we have 2a is equals to negative 4. Equating the coefficient of the given equation, guys, for k3 we have negative 4 equals to 2a. And so therefore guys, a is going to be negative 2. Guys, we are only left with one coefficient, one constant or unknown, that which we want to establish what b is. And so guys, we can use the k squared, and as you can see guys, our k squared is supposed to be 8. And so guys, we come and equate for k squared right here. So guys, if we check for k squared, we have a b here, one of the b here, that is this b. Going to another k squared, we have an a squared here. So guys, up to now we have b plus a squared, and also another k squared here. Guys, therefore we have b plus a squared plus b. That is 2b plus a squared should give us 8. And this is what we have guys. So you can see coefficient of k squared is equals to 8, now equals to 2b plus a squared. Guys, we have already established a, and so therefore we have we're going to put a, and this a is now going to be, a squared is going to be 4. And so therefore, this one should also be 4, and that means that b is equals to 2. So guys, we are able to find our constants. After we have found our constant, guys, we come and now have something like this, whereby now, guys, this equation, if we square it, guys, that's what we are going to get. We are going to get our original equation. So guys, we are now going to evaluate this equation. That is, we find k. After we have found k, remember guys, this is going to be squared. So whatever k we are going to find, it is going to have, if it is k equals to 2 plus j, guys will have 2 of them, because as you can see, it's raised to 2. So guys, we use the quadratic equation right there, and then we fix our numbers. After fixing our numbers, that is minus b, we are using this equation, minus b, that gives us 2, plus or minus square root of 4, that is b squared minus 4ac, all over 2. And so therefore, guys, we are going to find that our equation is going to be like this. That is because root 4 negative is equals to negative root 1 multiplied by root 4. And this gives us now j square root of 4. Of course, guys, we know the square root of 4 is 2. And when we get to here, guys, we are good. I can put here, I can put square root of 1, and this one I can make it plus, so that the square root of 1 is going to be j. The square root of 4 is 2, and that we can cancel that, and that. So we are left with 1 plus or minus negative, that is plus or minus j. And this is what now, guys, we have. And then, guys, as you know, as I have said, we have 2 of these, k equals to 1j, and we have k equals to minus 1j. And now, guys, because we were now evaluating this before it is squared, or we were only evaluating this that is into bracket, guys, now we come and square our roots. And squaring our roots simply, guys, is rewriting them once again. So guys, we have this root, we just write it again, and we have this root, we just write it again. Because remember, guys, we are supposed to have 4 roots. So therefore, guys, that is our solution. Thank you for listening to me.